St. Lucia eases on island protocols for fully COVID-19 vaccinated travelers. Fully vaccinated travelers can now book rental cars, dine at more local restaurants, and take part in additional activities such as beach hopping, all while observing existing on-island protocols. Fully vaccinated travelers can enjoy more opportunities to experience the entire island. Vaccinated visitors now have increased access to all parts of St. Lucia from day of arrival. The government of St. Lucia has announced that effective May 31, 2021, fully COVID-19 vaccinated travelers can enjoy more opportunities to experience the entire island. Fully vaccinated travelers can now book rental cars, dine at more local restaurants, and take part in additional activities such as beach hopping, all while observing existing on-island protocols. Vaccinated visitors now have increased access to all parts of St. Lucia from day of arrival without restrictions, and quarantine has been removed for vaccinated returning nationals. For example, vaccinated travelers are able to explore shops, markets, restaurants and activities throughout the island in popular areas including Castries, Rodney Bay, Soufriere and more. All visitors to St. Lucia can stay at a range of COVID-certified accommodations, hotels, villas, Airbnb. And for vaccinated visitors, they can now stay at more than 2 properties if preferred. For both visitors and our local residents, our commitment to safely and responsibly coexisting with COVID remains strong, said Hon. Prime Minister Alan Chastanet. While all visitors to St. Lucia can currently experience a wonderful vacation as well as approved tours and attractions, fully vaccinated travelers are now invited to explore the entire destination at their leisure, while following our protocols. We've successfully and safely managed tourism since reopening our borders in June 2020, with no need to close because of our protocols and the bubble we created for our visitors and frontline tourism workers. We are delighted to be able to expand the opportunities for vaccinated visitors and ease the restrictions for returning nationals. Vaccinated visitors can now truly vacation like a local. To qualify as fully vaccinated, travelers must have had the last dose of a 2-dose COVID-19 vaccine or a 1-dose vaccine at least 2 weeks, 14 days prior to travel. Travelers will indicate that they are fully vaccinated when filling out the pre-arrival travel authorization form, and upload proof of vaccination. Visitors must travel with their vaccination card or documentation. Upon arrival in St. Lucia, pre-registered fully vaccinated visitors will be expedited via a dedicated health screening line and will be provided with a non-electronic identification wristband for the duration of their stay. This wristband must be worn throughout the stay and removed when departing St. Lucia. Non-vaccinated travelers will continue to be permitted to stay at up to 2 certified properties for the first 14 days, and non-vaccinated returning nationals will be required to apply for quarantine for the same period. Regardless of vaccination status, no changes have been made to pre-arrival protocols for travelers, including, all arrivals to St. Lucia, 5 years or older, must obtain a negative COVID-19 PCR test result taken no more than 5 days before arrival, submit the online travel registration form, and must adhere to all safety protocols in place, including wearing a mask in public places.